All right.
Mr. Flowers has insurance.
Okay.
Is there anything we can do on the other ticket?
1 second. Mr. Joyner, you're all set to log off.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so let's see, what is it, 11 to 15 over?
Mm-hmm.
I think Officer or Sergeant Carson, you might want to talk to him about that.
I have no problem with the impeding. I have it in my notes that he gave me no issues that day.
Okay.
Awesome. He'll go with that.
Okay, let's go ahead and call it. This is the People versus Nathan Flowers.
He's in the breakout room.
Let me get him out of there. Okay. Okay, this is the People versus Nathan Flowers, calling cases SP 106-66561, no insurance. Excuse me, and SP 106-66541, 11 to 15 over the speed limit. Today's the day set for a formal hearing and pretrial appearance.
Coleman Potts on behalf of Mr. Flowers. Mr. Flowers, please state your name for the record, sir.
Nathan Flowers.
Your Honor, there's been a recommendation made that my client plead to impeding traffic. That's 0 points, does not abstract on your record, with the understanding that the no insurance misdemeanor will be dismissed. Mr. Flowers, do you want to take advantage of that offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Sergeant Carson, can you put your appearance on the record?
Sergeant Corey Carson, badge S827, assigned to Detroit Traffic Enforcement.
Okay. All right, so is there a stipulation to the face of the ticket for purposes of responsible plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Flowers, I'm dismissing your no insurance and entering a responsible plea for the 0 point offense of impeding traffic. Sergeant Carson was generous enough to allow that amendment since you had insurance today. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. You all have a good day.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we're moving along. Excuse me. Ms. Fly.
Yes.
Okay. Calling case 207-079-101, the People versus Deja Fly. 1 count of violation of governor's executive order during a state of emergency. Today's the day set for a trial appearance.
For the record, Coleman Potts, P78607 on behalf of Ms. Fly. Ms. Fly, please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Deja Fly.
Your Honor.
There's no officer here. No more officers left.
Defense moves to dismiss, Your Honor, for no complaining witness.
Okay, no officer has showed up for Ms. Deja Fly. Today's the day set for trial. The time is 9:11, so I will dismiss without prejudice. Ms. Fly, you are all set. You can log off and go about your day.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Going right down the line here. Tammy James.
Yes, Judge, I'm right here.
Okay, calling case 204-13387. No operator's license on person, and count 2 is no insurances. The People versus Tammy James is set for a trial today. Appearance.
For the record, Coleman Potts on behalf of Ms. James. Ms. James, please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Tammy James.
Your Honor, today's date time set for trial. There's no complaining witness. The defense moves for dismissal.
Okay, I will grant that dismissal. Ms. James, your cases have been dismissed. The officer did not appear for your matters today, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You have a better one.
Thank you. Beverly Jones.
Yeah.
Calling cases SP 102921. Count 1, no insurance. Count 2, unregistered and untitled vehicle. Count 3, driving with the license that is suspended. Today's the date set for a trial. Appearance.
Coleman Potts on behalf of Ms. Jones. Ms. Jones, please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Beverly Jones II.
Your Honor, today's date and time set for trial in this matter. Complaining witness has failed to appear. Defense moves for dismissal.
Okay, Okay, I will grant that dismissal. The time is 9:12 and no officers have checked in for Ms. Jones' cases. Ms. Jones, you're all set.
Okay, so now what do I have to do?
In
Based
order
off
to,
the case, right, the cases have been dismissed. So I don't know what you mean, to get your license back or to do what?
Do I get any type of documentation saying that it's been dismissed so I could take it to the Secretary of State?
They'll know, but you can also go online for proof. So we're not sending out any documentation. You can get it on our website, proof that the cases have been dismissed. But don't do it
Okay.
right now. Wait till the end of the day so to be in the system.
Okay, because I have to forward it to the judge and Clawson also.
Yeah, so it'll be, if it's just for the judge, it's simple. You can just look up your name and pull up the cases from today, and it'll show at the end that it was dismissed.
Okay, all right.
But wait
Thank
till
you.
the end of the day. You're welcome.
Have a blessed day.
You too. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
I don't think anyone else is here for a trial. Let me make sure. Miss Fortune, Raymond, Mr. Sherman Jones. Oh, Mr. Sherman Jones. Okay, there we go.
Yes.
Okay, calling case U-562-10220, the people versus Sherman Jones. One count of disorderly conduct. Today is the day set for a trial appearance.
for the record, Your Honor, Coleman possibly have Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones, please state your name for the record, sir.
Sherman Jones.
Your Honor, today's date and time set for trial in this matter. Complaining witness has failed to appear, and at this time the defense moves for dismissal.
I will grant that motion dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Jones, you were all set. Your case has been dismissed.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Okay, Miss Maisha Jordan. Oh, Jasmine Johnson. Jasmine Johnson. One more trial.
Hello.
Good morning. What's your middle name, Miss Johnson?
Deanna.
Okay. Calling case 126-33740. Count 1, unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance. This is the people versus Jasmine Johnson. Appearance?
Coleman possibly have Ms. Johnson. Ms. Johnson, please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Jasmine Deanna Johnson.
Your Honor, today's date and time set for trial in this matter. The complaining witness has failed to appear, and the defense moves for dismissal.
Okay, I will grant that and dismiss all counts without prejudice as it is 9:15 and your officer has not called the court or checked in. So you're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Thanks. Okay, Miss Fortune, let's get you into a breakout room.
Is
Her
Ms.
off-
Fortune on the docket?
Yep, she's like right in the middle on
Okay, I got you. On the other page.
So her offer is for improper plates.
Okay.
Miss Fortune, go ahead and hit join. One moment, it'll pop up to do so, and you can talk to Attorney Potts in private about your case.
She's. Oh, I don't know if you're talking to me, Judge. I can't hear you.
I was talking to the clerk.
Okay.
I'm back.
She Miss Fortune is going to plead to improper plates. Her plates were improper at the time of the when she was stopped.
Okay. Does she have a license and insurance now?
She does not have a license now.
Okay. All right. Let me get her. Oh, there she is, Miss Fortune. Okay. We're on the record. This is the People versus Vernell Fortune, calling case SP 716-102. Count 1, unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance. And count 3, improper license. Today's the date set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Appearance.
For the record, Coleman Potts on behalf of Miss Fortune. Miss Fortune, please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Vernell Fortune.
Your Honor, there's been an offer made of improper plates. The client wishes to take advantage of the offer.
Okay, Miss Fortune, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Potts in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
I'd like to bring your attention to October 16th, 2017, around 12:28 p.m. in the area of McDougal in the city of Detroit, where you're operating a 2000 Jeep vehicle without insurance.
Yes.
Okay.
I was. Oh.
Go ahead. What were you going to say? We just need the yes or no.
Huh?
We just need the yes or no. I don't want you to admit guilt to anything else. That's why I'm trying to cut you off.
Yes.
Okay. Satisfied?
That's right,
Yeah.
Your Honor.
Okay. I will amend the charge to improper plates, which is 0 points. I'm going to dismiss the remaining 2 counts. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay. And also, I am going to waive your fines and costs today, Ms. Fortune. So you don't have to pay anything to the court. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right. You have a good rest of your day.
You as well.
Thank you.
Bye.
I'm going to put you on Miss Sherry Jackson. Shari Jackson. Miss Jackson, go ahead and hit join when it pops up to do so. Okay, her offer is for failure to display.
Okay.
Is it Gleaton? Officer? Oh, he doesn't have audio. All right, let's see here.
Hello.
Good morning, Officer McLean.
Yes. I am a tenant, and I believe I have a court date today, but I don't know what time or what room. How would I go by finding out where I need to go?
What's your first? What is it? Desmond? That's your first name?
Yeah.
What made you call in to here?
Oh, because they told me that it's either going to be 331 or 332.
That's wrong. If it's you said a landlord tenant case,
Uh-huh.
those are both traffic courtrooms.
Oh, wow.
Hold on, let me see. What's your middle name, Miss McLean?
Monique.
Okay. Madam Clerk, I'm gonna need your help on this one. It's too many to look up. I can't even tell which one would be the landlord tenant one.
Judge, is there any way we can do an allowing on Miss Jackson's ticket?
That's fine.
Okay.
Do you have a case number, Ms. McLean? Because we don't, there's nothing, there aren't any open cases according to my search or the clerk's search.
No,
How do you know you have a court date then?
because it was one in December. And then when I contacted them, the judge said that it has been moved due to the COVID. And they sent me a letter saying it was January 20th, but I'm all the way at work now and I left my letter at home.
We don't see, I don't see anything in here.
Okay.
What's her last name?
McLean.
It wouldn't be in Judge Wagner?
She's saying it's a landlord tenant case,
Oh,
right, Ms. McLean?
Yes.
Okay. If it's not a landlord tenant case, it would be 331 for traffic.
Okay, but it is a landlord.
it's sometimes if it's listed as for landlord tenant, if it's listed as all occupants, then their name might not show up.
Yeah, that's why we need the case number. She doesn't have it with her. I can send you to one.
That I could perhaps check?
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
Would you guys happen to know like a room number or anything for the landlord tenant cases?
I'm getting ready to send you to a landlord tenant courtroom right now. So this will be, you want to call in instead of Zooming, or do you want to Zoom in?
I can call in, it's fine.
Okay. So let's put you, send you to the presiding. So it'll be 965-2404.
Thank you so much, Judge.
You're welcome. That's Judge Jones Coleman, just so you know.
Okay.
And I hope you find what you're looking for.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Bye. Okay. Ms. Jackson, let me get her out. And I'll put you in Ms. Jordan. I have Ms. Jordan's ticket now. So it's an OWI from August 3rd of 2020. And there's no offer at this time on her case. So it needs to be set for a pretrial. And another pretrial.
Do you still want me to speak to her in the breakout room?
Could you briefly?
Today was supposed to be my pretrial, Judge.
I know.
I'll speak to her.
Okay. Just hit join, Ms. Jordan, and then when you come out, if you have questions, I will answer them for you, if I can.
Thank you.
Good morning.
I was just sleeping. My dad said I was sleeping like my dad.
How was that?
I was like this. I was knocked out.
You remember when we were using the virtual backgrounds yesterday?
Yeah.
I put mine up. See?
No.
Right there.
Yeah. See.
Good
Hi.
morning.
Good morning. You got to step up on the screen.
Hello.
Oh.
Hello,
Amira.
Miss Martha said hi. Come say hi.
Hi.
Trying to wave with the virtual background as they're disappearing.
Yeah. I can't see you. Now I do. There you go.
Virtual thing keeps on making me disappear.
It's pretty tricky.
All right.
Okay, what is all this running for?
It's from work today.
Work.
Yep. Your mom calling you. Bye.
Bye. See you when you get back from work.
Okay.
Where's Warren?
I don't know.
He's like class 2. I don't know how this building.
Okay. Okay, let's take care of Ms. Jackson, and then we'll address Ms. Jordan's questions. Okay. Is it Sherry or Shari? I already asked you. I know I messed it up.
Sorry, but I answer to both because I get it all the time.
I try. Shari. Okay. All right, we're on the record. This is People versus Shari Jackson, calling case SP 102-83131. One count of no operator's license on person. Appearance.
For the record, calling Potts on behalf of Ms. Jackson. Ms. Jackson, please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Shari Jackson.
Your Honor, today's date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant for the purposes, or pretrial. For the purposes, there is an offer that my client pleads to allowing a licensed person to drive, as court to adopt the recommendation.
Okay.
Actually, is arraignment on the bench warrant. For the purposes of arraignment, we'll waive before I'm reading stand mute, enter not guilty plea.
Okay. And Ms. Jackson, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Potts in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Okay. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial? And knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Absolutely.
Okay. I'd like to bring your attention to September 25th, 2019, around 5:30 p.m. Somewhere in the area of Schaefer in the city of Detroit. Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive your vehicle? And that'd be a 2012 Ford vehicle.
Yes.
Satisfied? Oh, let me unmute you.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
I will make that amendment to the 0-point offense of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. And Ms. Jackson, I'm also going to waive your fines and costs today, so you don't have to pay anything to the court, okay?
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. You have any questions?
Nope.
Okay, right, just ready to go. You're all set.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Bye. And Miss Jordan, I double checked with the clerk to see if the prosecutor made an offer on your case, and there's still no offer on your case, and I do not want you to move forward with the trial date without having an offer, so you don't have to plead as charged. I can't make that offer. That's the prosecutor's job. So all I can do is require or make sure the prosecutor, next time your court date comes up, and I'm gonna put your pretrial closer. I'm not gonna do it February 24th because you've come for a pretrial already. It's not your fault. It's
Thank you.
you didn't do anything wrong. So I'm gonna schedule it out. I'm gonna actually put it a week out. Can you do a week out?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so let's do next week on Wednesday.
Perfect.
Okay, so we'll do 8:30 again, and I'll make sure that there's an offer in the file by that time, okay?
Thank you. I appreciate it. You have a good day.
You too, thank you.
Okay.
Bye. You stop.